Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a graffiti overlay to your video in CapCut. So here I've already add the video, and to add the graffiti overlay, you can just go to the video effects, find the retro category, and then in here select the negative graffiti. But please note that this is a pro effect, so if you want to use this effect, you need to join or you need to subscribe to the CapCut Pro first. And in here you can adjust the effect, you can adjust the texture, size, intensity, filter, and also the speed. I'm going to make it a little fast, and here you can adjust the intensity and also the size and the texture. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon and you can set it as you like, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.